Hello sir, good morning. I am Nida Salshabila. This video I will tell about meeting 7 about memory. First, memory definition. Memory is contained in the brain that is useful for storing experience that we have done. 2. Role of memory. Memory has 3 basic functions. First, encoding, storing, and retrieving information. Encoding is the process of combining information. Storing as a record the encode information. Retrieving information as the process of information that has been coded. 3. Affect memory for pros. Some of the more important factors include: first, the type of reading or learning activity in which the learner is involved while processing the text. 2. A particular kind of prose that is being remembered. 3. Type of information and event that intervene between the initial reading of the text and the time of remembering. 4. The way memory is assessed. Example: true memory test, short answer, multiple choice, or true or false. And meaning of retention. Retention is the process of storing and remembering information. Memory for prose. In my opinion, prose memory is a complex function which can help process remembering certain prose text and to remember past event experienced by the author so that memory can become a written work, namely a prose. Role of input in memory. The brain role in entering information is encoding. Encoding is the process of combining information. Process of remembering information has three stages. First, entering information or encoding, storage, and remembering or retrieval stage. The process encoding, the process by which information is transformed into a symbol for the organism sense. Storage is process of depositing or storing received information that has been converted into code. And then remembering is a process to search for or find information stored in memory if it is to be reached. And process of storing in memory. Sensory memory. Sensory memory is memory related to the temporary storage of information carried by the sense. Short-term memory is a temporary memory storage process, meaning that the information stored is only maintained as long as the information is still needed. And the last, long-term memory, a relatively permanent information storage process. Process of retrieving in memory. Long-term memory can be stored and recalled by our minds by digging up all the information contained in the brain. How the short-term and long-term memory works in memorizing prose. The short-term memory works in prose by entering information such as sound. The long-term memory works to remember information that is repeated. Principle of memory. First, interest to intend to remember. 3. Basic background. 3. Selectivity. 4. Meaningful. 5. Organization. 6. Recitation. 7. Mental visualization. 8. Association. 9. Consolidation. And 10. Distribute practice. First, interest. Interest to prioritize interesting memories in the brain. And intention to remember can be done by writing notes. 3. Basic background, understanding of the material to exchange building new knowledge. 4. Activity, choosing the parts that are important to study. 5. Meaningful organization, memory can be better if put into meaningful groups. 6. Recitation, say your own idea out loud. The more feedback you get, the faster you will learn. 7. Visualization, the brain responds to image. Usually the brain will be faster to capture memory in image. Association, memory will improve if consciously in a familiar way or accustomed to the memory. Consolidation, memory has time to build up. New information will usually be done by way of writing notes. Distribution practice, less study time but done repeatedly will be more effective than longer study time but only a few days. Okay, this all from me. If I make mistake, I'm sorry. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.